So my car has been driving me crazy. When I sit on idle and it's in drive, I'm at the stoplight, I hear an annoying rattle. At one point, I thought my engine was going bad or something over here. It wasn't that. And this is something that I see a lot. You hear a noise and you always assume the worst. Well, that's what happened with this one. But after digging around and looking into it, it's the little things that will drive you crazy. So in this 2006 Nissan Sentra, if you look at these bushings for the radiator, yeah, they're about done. And the issue that you run into is it's sitting forward, which is definitely not good because it puts the fans closer to the exhaust manifold. But, you know, you get a rattle. So we kind of need to bring that back and fix that. The other issue is our prop rod clip. This one is broken and yeah. So those two things are driving me crazy. Those are the little details that we tend to miss. So let's fix it. So now the part should be, yep, right over here. I did go to the junkyard because typically you could get these things really cheap, but they were all worn out and damaged at the junkyard. So got on Rock Auto, ordered these. This is for 2006 Nissan Sentra, and it also fits a whole bunch of other different Nissans. So that's the part number in case you're interested. Radiator mount bushings. And hopefully they should fit. And yeah, they look pretty thick, but then again, those things are dried out. And the clip is in here. So now they sell you this, you know, I guess multi-variety pack, which whatever. It has the clip and I need it. Now, fortunately, those two things are linked together, I will say. Well, they're on the same bracket, which is right over here. So these are 210s. Kind of thinking about it, these bolts kind of got me nervous because they're a little crusty. I think this is going to slide over right over here because, well, it's attached to this, so we'll be able to pop that out. And I believe this one is the same way. Yeah, should give me enough room to kind of get those rubber grommets out. So now these pieces are just like, they're gone. They're gone. They're just dissolving. And now for this one, I think in the back, I'm just going to break the rest of this off because, well, it's already broken. There we go. And I believe these are going to slide on just like so. Maybe. This is great. Now I could get up and get silicone paste, which would make this easier, but I don't feel like going over there to get it, so we'll make this work. Yeah, we're looking good. Oh yeah, perfect. Now we do got a little rust over here, so let's kind of clean that up. And this should just disintegrate just like so. Pretty much the same thing over here. Alright, so now we bring these in. We're just going to throw a little anti-seize on it because, well, I guess these tend to get crusty. And I'd hate for these to get stuck and snap off in the future. kind of the same order of business for this side. Let's just little anti-seize. Now we're gonna go with the black one because they give you a white one. That one fits fine, but this one works too. It'll match. I think I put that the right way. I think. Now let's test this out. So now, that's a lot better, and I'm giving a lot of force to move it, so that's why you might hear that noise. And for the prop rod, so pretty simple, pretty easy. I'm glad that was a easy repair because that's been driving me nuts for a while. So luckily I was able to get them on Rock Auto, pretty cheap. I think it was like $2 for these, and like I said, maybe $4 for that box, whatever it is. So I'm glad that's fixed. If you got a noise that's driving you crazy, just don't go crazy trying to assume the worst. It could just be something as simple as a clip, something loose, a bushing, and it's easy fix. So thanks for watching.